Hello, and welcome to your daily AI news update. Today is Wednesday, October 22nd, 2025. Here's what's buzzing in the world of AI. First up, a new study from Brown University has found that AI chatbots often violate important mental health ethics when people seek their advice. This is a critical finding because if you or someone you know use these chatbots for support, the advice might not be safe or appropriate, highlighting an urgent need for clear rules in using AI for mental health. Next, a joint study by the European Broadcasting Union and the BBC revealed that popular AI models like ChatGPT and Google Gemini frequently give out incorrect information or misrepresent news events almost half the time. This is a big deal for how we get our news, as it means we can't always trust what AI tells us about current events, raising serious concerns about misinformation. Shifting to the job market, tech giant Meta recently cut 600 jobs within its artificial intelligence division, despite investing billions into AI development. This shows that even in the rapidly growing field of AI, jobs aren't always secure. Companies are constantly reshaping their teams, reminding us that workers, even in cutting-edge tech, need to be adaptable. On the regulatory front, California has passed a new law requiring companies using AI companion chatbots to clearly tell users they are not talking to a human, and it sets rules for their use. This is the first state law of its kind with direct legal consequences, meaning businesses must be very transparent about their AI tools, especially those offering emotional support. Finally, a new application of AI comes from SecureLend, which launched an AI platform to automate the entire process of giving out business loans and managing working capital. This is great news for small and medium-sized businesses. What used to be a long process that could take weeks can now be completed much faster and at a lower cost, potentially speeding up growth and making financial services more accessible. That's it for now. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Isabella Yuha, helping people feel confident with new technology.